Hey Apple fans, welcome back to the channel. If you're into smart wearables, cutting-edge health tracking, and that slick Apple design, you're going to want to hear this. Because today we're diving into everything we know so far about the Apple Watch Series 11. From release date and price, to leaked specs, features, and more, this could be the biggest update in years. So grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Release date: Apple is expected to unveil the Watch Series 11 at its September 10, 2025 event, alongside the iPhone 17 lineup. Pre-orders should open by September 13th, with shipping and in-store availability starting around September 19th following Apple's usual launch schedule. Price: Apple is sticking to familiar territory, $399 for the GPS-only aluminum model, $499 for the GPS plus cellular version. Looking for stainless steel or the Hermes edition, you'll likely see prices starting around $699 and climbing higher depending on the finish and band options. Design upgrades: same rounded rectangular look we know and love, slimmer bezels for a more immersive display. New finishes: product red, starlight, midnight, and a rumored matte black stainless steel. Improved durability with tougher glass and better scratch resistance. It's a small evolution, but it's cleaner, sleeker, and tougher than ever. Display: the display is also getting a serious boost. We're still getting that gorgeous LTPO OLED Retina always-on display, but with even more punch. Rumors point to up to 2000 nits of peak brightness, perfect for outdoor use. Also in the works: higher refresh rate for smoother animations, better battery efficiency thanks to display optimizations. Performance: the Apple Watch Series 11 is expected to feature the brand new S10 chip, or possibly a lighter version of the S11 being developed for Ultra 3. Here's what that means: faster app launches, super smooth transitions, better multitasking, improved power efficiency equals longer battery life. Pair that with watchOS 11 and this watch. The Series 11 could introduce some next-level features: blood pressure trend tracking, not medical grade, but smart enough to catch early signs, hypertension alerts, keeping tabs on long-term cardiovascular health, advanced sleep tracking, more detailed REM data, breathing irregularity reports, possibly even blood glucose trend tracking, still in early testing, and of course, a new heart rate sensor with better accuracy, especially during intense workouts. Apple's turning the watch into a mini health assistant, and it's only getting smarter. Connectivity and safety: connectivity is getting a major boost too. The Series 11 is expected to support Bluetooth 6, Wi-Fi 6E, and even 5G RedCap, giving you better cellular speed with less battery drain. There's also talk of satellite-based emergency messaging, similar to the iPhone, so you can stay safe even off the grid. Battery life: we're still looking at around 18 hours in regular use. But thanks to a more efficient chip and a smarter display, real-world usage might stretch up to 20 to 24 hours, especially if you use low-power mode. Still not multi-day, but definitely enough to get you through a full day and night comfortably. Should you upgrade? So, should you upgrade?